starting right now for 2019. And like I said, that everything needs to get better. And with you, it's gonna happen for sure. Thank you very much.
Look, you can always look for the traditional way. You go to school, get a degree, and look for the job. But the question is, how much are you ready for your career, for your community, and for yourself? That's why we gave the Social Championship Scholarship called Genius Upskill Program. Last year we gave 40 scholarships to 40 scholars, and this year we're going to give 100 scholarships for you, student like you. So, what is the scholarship going to make it to you? This scholarship is going to make you the social champion, which is going to make you ready to create positive impact for your employer, for your family, for the people around you, and for yourself as well too. So what are you waiting for? Apply for GUP, and I'm looking forward to see you soon.